Hey everyone, it's Megan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Squarespace button on a cover page to a lead box. So I have already shown you in another video how to create this cover page or this landing page, and now we're going to go to Action so we can customize this button. So I'm going to go ahead and change the text of this button. And now I need a URL, but I don't have that quite yet. So I'm going to log into Leadpages, where I have this lovely lead box that I've already made. And what I need to do is click Publish. And I'm going to get this HTML code. So I'm going to copy the entire code and open a blank document. And I'm going to paste it. Now don't worry if you don't understand code. You don't need to understand code to be able to utilize this code. Just to give you a little, knowledge is power. So to give you a little insight, there's kind of two parts to this code. So I like to break this up into two sections to make it a little bit easier to understand. So there's this first section that starts with an A and ends with an A. And then there's a second section that starts with script and ends with a script. So I'm actually going to just separate those. And all we need right now is this URL. So right here in between the two quotation marks is a link. It should start out with your Leadpages, domain, and then a lead box, and then a bunch of numbers. That's perfect. So just go ahead and copy the link in between the two quotation marks. Then we're going to go back to our cover page and add that as the URL. And we want to make sure Open in New Window is not checked. Then go ahead and press Save. Go back, and you're going to go into the cover page settings now. And then we're going to click Advanced, and there's this section here that says Page Header Code Injection. This is where we're going to go ahead and take that second part of the code. And just before I keep going, you could leave it as it is right now, and the lead box would open in a new window, and that's fine. It's just not as ideal, not as pretty. So I want you to get the full effect of using lead boxes by letting it stay on top of the same page. So we're going to copy this script to script. We're going to go back and paste it right here in the page header code injection and press Save. And now you're done. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so here's our page, and now I'm going to click the button, and there's my lead box. So this is what I was saying, is that by putting in that script code, which is JavaScript, by putting that in the page settings, it allows it to stay right on top of the cover page and give a really nice effect. Otherwise, it would still work, but it would open up in a new tab. So that's how you connect lead boxes to a Squarespace cover page.